lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing me for the first time on your screen, my name is Rejoice Edwin. I do make videos about skincare, beauty, lifestyle, and vlog. Yes, I do make videos about so many things. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please do hit the subscribe button. And if you are a return new, thank you so much for coming back to watch my videos. Like, I really appreciate. So let's get right into business. In this video, I will be sharing with you guys body lotions that can clear your skin, body lotions that will make your skin to glow. But before that, guys, look at my skin. This is what we call pimples breakout, as you can see. As you can see, this one here, it just came out on its own, and I'm battling with it currently. And hopefully, in 2 days' time, you'll not see this again. So let's go to the main video. So I'll be listing out body lotions that can clear your skin and give you a glowing skin. You know, your skin is a means of communication. Your skin is what communicates with people out there publicly. So you need to have a glowing skin. Yes, like seriously. So why you need to have a glowing skin is that you're gonna be self-confident about your look, about yourself. You're gonna be comfortable. It will pass a good impression to people out there. People will be like, okay, this girl's skin is very good, which shows that okay, she's taking good care of herself. She's neat, she's that, so many things. So I'll be listing out body lotions that will enable you to have a clear skin. That is, if you're battling with dark spots, if you're battling with pimples, if you're battling with eczema, acne, and so many more. So all you just have to do, please do hit the subscribe button, and let's get right into this video if you haven't subscribed yet. First body lotion that I will be listing is the CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion. This one here, CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion. Well, this body lotion helps in people who are suffering from eczema, or if you have a dry skin, or if you have a sensitive skin. This is where you need this body lotion. Yes, this body lotion is fragrance free. It's not sticky, it's not greasy, and it's not heavy on the skin. It's very light and very, very good. It contains humectants and ceramides. These are acids that keeps the skin moisturized and always hydrated. So these acids will help in fighting out those eczemas, and it will also help if you have a sensitive or a very dry skin. If your skin is very dry, then it's going to keep your skin hydrated as possible. So the next is the Simple Kind to Skin Face Moisturizer Replenishing Rich 24-hour moisturizer. If you have a sensitive skin and you don't feel like using any body lotion or any cream at all, well, you need to go for the Simple Kind to Skin. Then it's perfume free, and also it's hypoallergic and non-comedogenic. It's also enriched with vitamin B5 and allantoin to hydrate and suit the skin. Actually, this simple kind to skin is meant for the face clearly, but if it can also be applied to the skin, it can also be applied to other parts of the body apart from the face. So I show you that if you apply it to your face, to your body, you have no problem. Yes. So the next is the Cetaphil Daily Advanced Auto Hydrating Lotion. This is a very popular lotion. The one you're seeing here, yes, it's a very popular lotion. Well, this body lotion has vitamin E and B5 together with it. And also in that case, it now enables your skin to boost out moisture, like 54% of moisture to your skin. This is what this body lotion is going to do. And also it absorbs easily when being applied on the skin, and it's not heavy on the skin. So this body lotion will enrich your skin with enough vitamins. Your skin need more vitamins in order for it to work well. So it's going to boost your skin and supply enough vitamins to it, in that case, giving you a glowy look. The number four is Aveeno Eczema Therapy. Good. So now this body lotions is a kind of a solution to those who have an itchy skin, because the full name is Aveeno Eczema Therapy Itch Relief Balm. So it's for those who have itch problems, who have an itchy skin. Like maybe for instance, now you are done bathing. It's either you use cold water or hot water, and after bathing, you feel as if your skin is itchy. You'll be itching your skin after bathing. So this is when you have to use this Aveeno eczema therapy, because it's going to relieve you of itchiness on your skin. Yes. So it's very recommended for those who have itching problem. The next one is Nivea. But which part of Nivea? Which type of Nivea? Is the Nivea Fairness. Yes, this one here. Nivea Natural Fairness. Like this body lotion, it's very, very good. It's developed to enhance your skin radiance, and it offers a UV protection and an even skin tone by reducing pigmentation on your skin. So I love this body lotion. Yes, I love it a lot because of the, can I say, the UV that it contains. Like it has a sunscreen. It contains a sunscreen in it. So at least I don't stay too much under the sun, but the little time I spent under the sun, this body lotion is always there to protect my skin from the harsh treatment of the sun. So you need to get this if you really want a clear and glowing skin. Then you need to go for the Nivea Fairness. Is the Vaseline Intensive Care Dry Skin Repair. Yes. So this one is for those with dry skin. If you have a dry skin, then please do go for the Vaseline Intensive Care Dry Repair, because it contains micro droplets of Vaseline petroleum jelly that lock moisture. It's very light, it absorbs quickly. The last on my list is actually my favorite. I love the body lotion a lot. Is the E45. E45. It's an effective moisturizer that is very good to use. It's good to treat any skin problem. It suits dry skin. If you're having an itchy skin, rough skin, chapped skin, sunburn, this E45 is a solution to all the skincare problems that I can list. Yes, it can be also applied to the face, so don't be afraid to apply it. If you have dark spots, if you have pimples, if you have eczema, E45 will do the work for you. So go get for yourself E45 body lotion, or you can get for yourself the E45 cream, the one that is in a round container. This one here, yes, you can get for yourself this one or either the body lotion, and start seeing how you have a clear skin and a glowing skin. And you will not say bye bye to dark spot, bye bye to eczema, bye bye to pigmentation, hyperpigmentation. Like you say goodbye to all the stuff if you use any of these listed body lotions. So guys, I've come to the end of this video. So please do, if you like this video, do give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. Bye.